I always say if I don't sell cabinets for a living, I'm going to sell machinery for a living. I've seen it work. The very first piece of equipment we ever put in here, we were told it was a bad idea. And that piece of equipment paid for the next piece of equipment, which paid for the next piece of equipment. And we're always looking to how we can cut steps out of the process. And when I say steps, I mean physical stepping of a human being. And we want to set the standards of what our customers expect. If we can be large volume and flexible, that sets us aside. I've been given a great thing, and that comes with a great responsibility. To take someone who comes from a broken home or a broken family and give them an opportunity to learn a career, to hopefully come to a safe environment where they can relax, that they can be proud of what they're doing, then they can go home and put food on the table, then they can be proud of the company they're part of. Those are the good days.